Ever wondered how AI is learning to understand videos the way we do? Not just recognize objects or track movement, but grasp complex stories, predict what happens next, or even figure out why characters act the way they do. That's the cutting-edge world of AI benchmarks, tools designed to push machines to think like humans. Let's break it down. Imagine teaching a robot to watch a cooking show. Simple, right? But what if the video is long, the camera pans, or the chef speaks fast? That's where benchmarks like VRBench come in. Think of them as a comprehensive exam for AI models. They test everything from spotting objects to understanding cause and effect in sequences of actions. It's not just about seeing, it's about reasoning. Take the perception test by Viorica Patrician's team. This isn't your average quiz. It asks, can the AI predict what happens next? Spot contradictions, or even read the emotional tone of a scene. These challenges separate a good AI from a truly smart one. It's like asking a student to not just memorize facts, but analyze a story's deeper meaning. Now picture a movie. A single film can span hours, shift between scenes, and mix dialogue, music, and visuals. How do you test if an AI can follow the plot? That's where datasets like Cinepile and LongVideoBench shine. They're like giant puzzles designed to push AI to handle long, complex videos. Can the AI remember what happened earlier? Connect clues across scenes. These tests show how far we've come and how much work remains. But how do researchers train AI to think this way? They create benchmarks, detailed datasets with videos, subtitles, and carefully crafted questions. For example, a question might ask, why did the male protagonist arrange the robbery? The answer isn't just to win her love. It's about linking events, understanding character dynamics, and recognizing narrative patterns. Here, where VRBench stands out. It's not a simple quiz. It's a multi-phase evaluation pipeline that tests not just accuracy, but the process of reasoning. First, the AI must arrive at the correct answer. Then the system dissects its logic. Did it trace a chain of events? Did it avoid surface-level correlations? Researchers score models on logical coherence, temporal consistency, and factual accuracy, like grading both the final exam and the student's study habits. VRBench's dataset is a goldmine. 1,010 manually curated narrative videos across 8 languages and 7 categories, from movies to travel vlogs. Each comes with detailed annotations, a roadmap for AI to follow. Imagine a question like, why did the crown prince kill the emperor? The answer requires piecing together a power struggle, a secret plot, and a desperate decision. It's not just about recognizing actions, it's about understanding causality. And this isn't just academic. Benchmarks like VRBench are fueling breakthroughs in models like Videollama 3 and MMMU. These systems don't just note someone robbed someone else. They analyze why the robbery happens, how characters' motivations connect, and even predict future plot twists. It's like teaching a robot to read between the lines. So what's next? As AI tackles longer videos, multilingual content, and nuanced storytelling, benchmarks like VRBench will remain critical. They're not just tests, they're blueprints for the future of machine intelligence. Whether you're a researcher, developer, or just curious, this is where the next wave of AI innovation is being built. Ready to dive deeper? Stay tuned for more insights into the tools shaping AI's understanding of the world. Until next time.